Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how I did this set of nails using the Beetles nail tips and glue set. I want to say I got this during Amazon Prime time and it was like super cheap, like less than 20 bucks cheap. So here's the little box. It's super cute. My bestie actually got this too, so it's really popular. It has a very thorough instructional guide, and you guys, I pulled this out a lot during the video. I cut a lot of that because it was just me reading how to do this. But I'll show you what's in here. There's nail tips. The sizes were pretty decent. I did have to file some because like my pointer, my middle finger, and my ring finger are sometimes the same size, but sometimes my middle finger like flares out more. So you guys, it takes some time doing this. This is probably one of the longest parts of the process other than like filing, but these are full cover tips. And then I'm just pushing back my cuticles. I did some like pre-cuticle work already, but oh my god, you guys, my nails are going through it. This holiday season, I feel like I've just been like dehydrated maybe, but my cuticles are a wreck and I'm scared to cut them myself because last time I did that I bled and it was just a mess. But anyway, here I am back in the instructions. I am filing down my nails just a little bit. If you have long nails, I don't think they suggest for you to like do this with long nails. They suggest for you to cut it. But yeah, here is the nail glue. So this is a special glue. This isn't like a base coat. It is a special glue you use, and there's a UV or LED. Don't know if that's the same thing, but here's a little lamp. I have like a full-size big lamp, but I did use this lamp the whole time. My friend who actually tried this kit said it was difficult for her to use this lamp, but I had no problem with it. It was very easy. You don't have to touch, you just put your finger in. It doesn't have an on and off. It is just by your actual finger being in there. Be a little bit generous with this glue, you guys. I noticed when I used less doing my second hand, which isn't in this video, but doing my second hand, I used less and that caused air bubbles. But you guys, look at this nail. Oh, it's not showing yet. Okay, but look at this nail, no air bubbles. Oh my God, I was so happy. Like, this is a voiceover obviously, but in real life, I was so excited doing this. Yeah, this was so much fun. I'm still gonna do the press-ons though, but like just personally, I did this set. I did another set of these, and like it's honestly somewhat easier if you want like a simple design or you don't mind painting with your nails on. I would suggest this method versus the press-ons, but I like the press-ons because I like doing the nail art without it being on, without it being on my hand. So it's just easier for me to do it that way as far as nail designs. But when I just want a simple look of actually like wearing my nails out, I will do this 100%. They stayed on really well. The process is super easy. It's quick too, especially if you're not doing an intricate nail design. Only thing is, oh my God, see, this one I actually had to rip off and do again because I suck. I always put these on extra crooked. I don't know if my fingers are crooked, my hand's crooked, my brain's crooked. I don't know, you guys, but they were coming in a little bit crooked, so don't blame me. But the second hand looked better, and I'm gonna do better at like not putting them on crooked. And the thing is, I put it on crooked and I put it under the light, so it was really hard taking it off, but I got it off and started over. And yeah, this is pretty much just this process, so I'll let you guys watch this for a bit. All right, and here is the last finger. We are doing the pinky. I just showed you before here the crookedness. That's what I was showing you with my fingers doing all that, but I had already talked about it before I showed it. So yeah, here it is. They look so cute. Oh my gosh, like there was so much more footage of me just showing how cute these nails looked. But yeah, now I'm just going over what to do, and it pretty much just tells you to file. Let me actually see. I have the guide right here. Yeah, once it's on, clip nail tips to your desired length, gently file and edge. Oh, file the edge. Oh my gosh, I can't read. Apply the color gel and top coat and cure for 60 to 90 seconds, and perfect. Lasts for 21 plus days. I personally didn't leave these on for 21 plus days. I wore them the second hand. Like I said, I used less of the base glue, caused bubbles, and those popped off. But I did a second set because I love them so much and I love the way they looked and how easy they were. So my second set, see, the thing is, I work on a computer a lot and I got like 2 little kitties and stuff. So I honestly don't wear long nails unless it's an event, but I did keep those on for 10 days. Super easy. Then I personally took them off. Otherwise, they would have stayed. There was no lifting or anything. So I think I got this down packed. Be a little generous with the glue. Obviously, don't have it like flooding off, but you know, you can kind of eye how much you need to cover your nail bed, if that makes sense. Oh my god, I love these nudes. And this was like a cheap Amazon set. This brand, you guys, I link everything below. I pretty much get everything off Amazon. But I do buy from like small businesses and stuff like that. I don't know if calling them a small businesses as well. But this color is gorgeous. Honestly, I could have just done one coat. I don't care if you could see my nails underneath, if it's press-ons, these Gel X or whatever you'd like to call it. I really like the sheer look. I would wear clear nails, to be honest. I just think it looks cool. But I did do 2 coats, and then we're gonna put some little flowers. So I'll let you guys watch. I do want to say thank you if you made it this far in the video, or even, well, you wouldn't hear this if you didn't. But anyway, thank you. I love trying out new nail art, nail designs, ways to do nails at home. It's a lot of fun and relaxing, and I appreciate you. If you are watching, it is just after the holidays where I'm recording this, but I took these videos before the holidays and haven't been on here in a while because it's just been like super hectic and busy. So I hope if you're watching this around the holidays and if you feel the same, or maybe life is just busy at any point, just know that things get better and you are awesome. So yeah, okay. I am going to take some time in my next videos that I'll be putting out to do more nail art designs. Amazon, before the holidays, I had placed orders for like detail brushes and things like that, and they never got delivered. I had to get a refund and stuff. I'm sure if you guys bought stuff on Amazon around the holidays, you were probably like getting those notifications that it was late. So that's what happened. So I've been like trying out these kits rather than doing the designs, but I do have some that I noted that I want to try out, and I just want to like kind of sit down and paint nails. So that's the stuff I'm going to be putting out for a while. But if you guys have any suggestions on different types of kits, like I did an acrylic kit. Oh, a dip powder. I was recommended dip powder, so I'm probably gonna, that'll be the next kit I use. But as far as like content that I have already, like that I want to do, it's gonna be painting nails because I absolutely love doing the nail painting. Here, this is Model 1's top coat. Yes. Oh, and these I got on Shein. They have a lot of super cute nail stuff, and I was kind of skeptical to buy from Shein, but my besties buy from Shein. It does take some time. I want to say maybe like 2.5 weeks to have this come in, but it wasn't that bad. I just got like a bunch of different nail art stuff, and it's super affordable. So I got a few different things from there. I would say if you're gonna do it and wait that time, you might as well just like get yourself a haul, like get everything you need. Just even if you spend like $80, you're get a bunch of stuff. I'm talking $80 if it's like clothing and stuff, nail stuff. I don't even know. If you spend $80 on nail stuff, you're probably getting like a whole huge tote, like so much stuff. I probably spent like less than $20 and got a bunch of stuff, so they're pretty cool. And my stuff did come. I got tracking and everything. But yeah, we're just putting 2 little flowers. Oh my god, these flowers, it's crazy. They're white. Like, they are completely white right now. After I took them out of the UV lamp, they were like color changing. They were pink. Does anyone know why? But eventually, maybe it was the heat. I don't know. But eventually they turned back white after like maybe an hour, maybe a little bit less. But you'll see in a little bit, they're literally pink. If I took a video of the end result right when I took it out of the lamp, because this glue needs to be cured. That's why it had to go on the lamp. Okay, here, see, it's pink. But yeah, here's a little bit of cuticle oil and we are all set. Hopefully you guys like this and this was helpful if you were thinking about this product. And don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye. This video was longer than I thought. Okay, bye.